What's going on, Investomaniacs? Your boy, a Night Rider here, and today we've got two cannabis companies flying high. Come on, am I right or am I right? Aurora Cannabis, known for defining the way the cannabis industry is evolving around the world. The company recently declared wonderful news. It has received Health Canada licenses, which allow them to cultivate cannabis outdoors, specifically at two Canadian locations. The two new locations are Quebec and British Columbia. These sites will be tapped into for cultivation research with the goal of developing new technology as well as new intellectual and genetic properties. The efforts seek to drive high quality and sustainable outdoor cannabis production. Now, why did Aurora deliberately choose these two particular outdoor locations? Quebec and British Columbia happen to represent two different growing climates. The company plans to conduct research on cultivation methods to improve the way they can grow cannabis in different climates. Aurora will also examine various approaches to attain environmentally sustainable cannabis growth. The 207-acre British Columbia facility, you're looking at a rendering here, received the new name of Aurora Valley. The much smaller Quebec location is only about 1/2 acre of outside growing space. It is found in the Aurora EAU facility. It carries the proud honor of being the first approved outdoor cannabis growth operation in Quebec. Planting has already begun at Aurora EAU, while planting in Aurora Valley will happen soon. According to Terry Booth, the CEO of Aurora, the company, quote, believes in innovative operations and intensive research, and we are applying our approach to outdoor grown cannabis. Our team plans to use these areas to ensure we are able to consistently grow the high-quality cannabis Aurora has become known for around the world. Aside from these two new outdoor growing locations, Aurora has confirmed it received the processing license for the planned Aurora Air facility from Health Canada. This facility is found close to Aurora Sky and the Edmonton International Airport. And if you're a fan of edibles, you are going to be glad to know that Aurora Air, that location, is set to produce magical edibles like cannabis chocolate and cannabis gummies. Move over, Willy Wonka. A new candy king is in town, and they are meeting your demands for the munchies. Aurora isn't the only cannabis company with large expectations and smoking hot news. Cronos Group declared last week their plan to buy a manufacturing and fermentation facility in Winnipeg. The facility in question comes with impressive, fully equipped laboratories. These labs can cover chemistry, microbiology, method development, and quality control. Moreover, it has two spacious fermentation production areas. According to Cronos, these areas will increase the company's ability to manufacture, quote, cultured cannabinoids at commercial scale with high quality and high purity. This new facility is set to be called Cronos Fermentation, and its role is to aid Cronos Group and its partnership with Ginkgo Bioworks by giving the fermentation and manufacturing the company needs to capitalize on the partnership. To expand and scale fast, cannabis enterprises have decided to enter into partnerships with larger companies in recent times. Cronos partnered with Altria Group, a large tobacco player. Altria invested $1.8 billion into Cronos. Competing cannabis companies, likewise, have formed partnerships as well, particularly Constellation Brands and their $4 billion investment stake in Canopy Growth. Cronos Group also recently declared its appointment of their new Chief Innovation Officer, Dr. Todd Abraham, who joined Cronos after working in conventional packaged foods companies like Nabisco, Mondelez, and the Pillsbury Company. That's quite a big change for Dr. Todd, going from working in the food industry to a cannabis-centric company, but that is just the sort of hires that cannabis companies need to be making, bringing on established veterans of consumer goods companies. I like the cannabis space, however, I think it's overvalued right now. But if you just gotta have a pot stock in your portfolio, I understand. I would recommend Canopy Growth or Cronos, as those are the two best funded companies. This is a crowded space right now. We are going to see oversupply. We are already seeing oversupply. The underfunded companies will go out of business or be bought out at a steep discount. This is my portfolio for full disclosure. Hey guys, I really appreciate the likes, comments, and subs. Thank you so much. Let me know if there are any other stocks you'd like me to cover. May the market be with you.